All right, so it's been a while since I do an episode.
There you go.
So we're doing last year when we were by the tree. So these are the same guys where we put them by the tree. So yeah, to put them in the tree. So yeah, it's a fireworks 23. And yeah.
Do them there. Mosquito would go. Mosquitoes.
Okay. I think this can work.
You want to light them up? You gotta press in here and light them up.
Okay, so
Hold on.
it's like that.
There you go.
Okay, this one's gonna hold still for a minute. Hopefully these don't explode.
There you go. Not exploding. There you go. Light up the other one. Hurry up. That's good, kiddo. That's good enough. Light up that
Oh wait,
one.
wait. Gotta do one by one.
Oh, okay.
'Cause I don't want them to explode.
They're not gonna explode. Those are like different colors.
I swear. I think it's supposed to do something.
Yeah, they're coming. Let me see.
No, wait, hold on. I think I know this. What
They're
this?
not gonna explode, kiddo.
I know. I just know.
You gotta burn it. Don't be scared.
I got it, man. It's been a while.
There
Yeah,
you go.
it's
There you go. There you go.
got purple.
The smoke will take the mosquitoes away.
Yeah, that's good.
Hey, you get them in your hand.
Yeah, don't get too close, man. Because Gabriel was.
The mosquitoes go away.
You want the mosquitoes to go away? Well, that's not gonna work.
They change different colors.
Yeah, well, you know, people make a circle.
You see?
Okay, that's what I'm doing.
Bring them over here.
Yeah, see. Okay.
There you go. There you go. Super. Get it in your hand, kiddo.
All right, hold on. Let me.
Get it in your hand. Get it in your hand. I light it up for you. You want to light it up like that? There you go. You got it, kiddo.
All right. So okay, I got me. See? Yep.
Yeah, don't get the smoke will turn the mosquitoes away.
Yeah, look. Yeah, look. So make a circle, huh? Or what they call it? A fairy? Yeah, a fairy, huh? Instead of a furry, we have a fairy in this
Go
place.
away
Look.
with the smoke.
And look, we have a fairy. See? Right there. Yeah.
Light up this one.
Oh, these are nice ones. These are big sparklers.
There you go.
There we go. Connection. Yeah, these are the great ones. Very nice ones.
For the mosquitoes.
Yeah, the mosquitoes will go. Yeah, the last time me and Gabriel we. Hey.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Okay.
There you go, kiddo. Here you go, kiddo.
Yeah. Me and Gabriel we did this, but they technically exploded for some reason. We backed up, but then when it turned off, yeah, I don't know somehow it exploded. It's on video. It's on the main channel, so I'm about to do this for the second channel. I barely use the second channel for nothing. Leaves and shadow. We got green. Is that green? I can't tell it. I can tell orange. I can't tell. Let me back this up. This, probably this. Let me back this up here.
Oh,
Well,
there's a sword.
Yeah, he got a sword.
Oh, that's really cool.
You know, we got these giant rockets.
okay, let me back this one
Yeah,
up
and
there.
the smoke will take the mosquitoes away.
Yeah, I think that's what it's for.
You got the giant rockets.
Oh, they go floor? Wait, I'm not sorry. They go. They say in New York they don't fly up, but in PA, yeah, in Pennsylvania does.
Well, honey, no, they do fly up here, but you just have to have a special license to get them.
Yeah,
They don't
I
have-
think you were saying fireman, right?
Well, I know in PA it's firemen. I think I think anybody can get or maybe can anybody get the fire safety they have to get like a fire safety license or something, Dan? Or
Yeah, I think that's right. Because a license because your performance for like a show, right?
yeah.
If you're having a show, you done?
It went out early maybe.
Wait, hold on.
You think I should grab a bucket, honey?
You
or
want to?
something?
Yeah, I think we should get a bucket.
Should I just get the garbage can?
Yeah, this one's going out. Yeah, there is different colors. Not joking. Okay. You can't really tell. This one is supposed to be green, but it's not. It looks like yellowish. The book. Oh.
The ones that are done in here, okay?
Yeah. This one. Yep. This is the part. Better back up. Smoke bombs. Oh yeah, they're cool. You can see different colors in the smoke. I've seen this on video.
You saw on video?
Yeah, different colors of smoke bombs. But you gotta take it outside. Wait, hold on. See? See? That's the one I like to see. Now we're taking the action right there. That's what I like to see. That's what it does.
No, I remember when Dad used to get those ones that smell like sulfur.
So what's it called?
I think they're like the smoke bombs, but they smell like sulfur. They smell like rotten eggs.
Yeah, well, actually, they're ball smoke bombs. They're ball, but you just gotta
Yeah, but honey,
throw
that's
it.
what they're made from. Like,
Want to light this one up?
Yeah. This
Right,
one's almost
that
done.
green-
Okay,
that
let's
green-
remove this one.
Yeah, this one. The green thing.
The green thing.
if you need bug spray, it's right there, okay?
Yeah, the green thing. Yeah, let me grab some.
It's right on your arms and legs.
Okay, so this one's
Before
going
it's
down.
up in your flames.
Yeah, I got the spray.
Here, kiddo. No, don't worry about that. Here, kiddo. Light that one up.
How long you do it just in case?
Kiddo.
Yeah, I guess there's mosquitoes over there.
Kiddos want to tap you over there. Like that.
Okay, okay, which one?
Oh, that's like similar.
Yellow. The first one was red. Where's the? Oh, there it is, right there.
I remember this. Yeah, remember the first year you started letting them do that, how excited they were? Like lightning?
Here comes. Here's yellow.
Oh, yeah.
This should be, yeah, red, blue.
Well, your dad
Yellow.
just said red. This is-
Yeah,
this
red.
has the blue
That was the
one.
first one. This one is on camera. You can't really tell. I can tell you. It is. That's it. Well, the yellow ones are just.
You have some bigger ones.
Yep. Yeah. It's the smoke. That's why. Okay, let me remove
Like
this
this
one.
one
Put it in the bucket.
Can you get that little piece of paper there too, sweetheart, please? Thank
paper.
you.
Oh, I get this piece
Okay,
of
that
tape.
one is blue.
I got it lighted up at the bottom there.
Okay.
Oh, Joe. So I don't think it's gonna burn the grass.
What? Yeah, it's gonna burn the grass.
Oh,
That
yeah,
is the
here.
one. Oh,
Here, smile.
listen.
My cutie.
Taking a picture, of course. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay, so yeah, it's only three. So yellow, red, and blue. Okay, so.
Oh, that was pretty too.
I see a couple of blues.
What else is in there, dude?
Little ones? Oh, we got little. Yeah, those were the ones where they were exploding. Look at the smoke.
That was kind of cool. Why don't you try a couple of these?
Yeah, those were the ones what they were talking about. I think both of them were explosions at the video the last year.
Explosions?
No, it stopped moving, and then when I put it on, and then,
Do you want to try one?
Yeah. Surprised me.
Why don't you try this green one? Then I'll get a purple
Yeah, no,
one.
there is a green, of course, yeah, but
Jody, what
those
color do you
really
want?
small
Red
ones,
or green?
it's similar to the big one.
You want a red one, baby?
Okay, so
Yeah. There'll be extras we could do other days too.
all right, so I'll be back.